Hey guys, how y'all doing? Welcome to another video of Deals, Rides, and Adventures. We're up here right now at East River Mountain Overlook up here in Bluefield, West Virginia. And this view up here, guys, is awesome. So overlook here overlooks the town down here in Bluefield. And right here is the about all nice overlooks or stops in parks, especially in West Virginia. You'll have this almost heaven swing, rope swing, really nice. And it's a good place for a picture. And here is the parking lot. You pull in and take your break, stretch your legs. You got your the old West. Here's the tunnel, talking about how it was built on up 52 and through the interstate I-77. There's the double tunnels, and here's your West Virginia sign. It's all made out of wood. And here's a little welcome to West Virginia. Tells you a little history about the West Virginia culture and everything. But we'll walk down here. I've got several pictures here before. Me and the uncle and another friend is out on a ride today. We're riding down 52 here, and we're going to go down to Wytheville, Virginia. Here's this overlook. I'm right at the handrail right now, but let y'all look at this nice overlook right here. It's real windy. I got this mic up here on my shirt, and hopefully this wind muff blocks a lot. But we'll bring y'all down here to this nice little stop, and I'm gonna be videoing a little bit going down this mountain and bits and pieces. I ain't gonna video the whole thing because it takes up a whole lot of battery life. And all that, y'all know what I'm talking about. But we're stretching our legs here a minute, and it's just the three of us, me, Uncle Tommy, and our friend Gary. Stretch our legs a couple minutes here, and we're going to get on the road and take our time and ride into town of Wytheville. And hey guys, welcome back. We're going down this mountain here into Wytheville on this Route 52. It's a nice curvy mountain, and we're going to be in Wytheville in about 30 or 40 minutes or something like that. We left from up the top of the mountain and took us a little break, stretched our legs. And now we're back on the road. So y'all enjoy this little ride across the mountain here. And I'll cut it off sometime going down to get off the mountain or something there. It's a nice curvy road. Sometimes you see some wildlife across here, guys, some deer. Shoot, you never can tell. Might see a bear or something across the road. But the National Forest butts right up against this as well. And this route we're traveling, we'll be traveling right beside of 77, I-77 here. There's actually, you can get on it right down here if you chose to, but we're not going to do that. We're going to stay on this nice 52 south right here. Don't want to get on no interstate if we don't have to. There it is. Beautiful day, guys. I mean, the temp's only 74 right now. Showing on my motorcycle this nice August 1st day. Real pretty places over here. This mountain right here is going to jump right here and come up onto Rocky Gap, exit, South Gap exit here, but we're still riding the side of I-77. This nice mountain here goes into this nice long sweeper curves such as this one here, and they got some cliff edges along the left side of us, some shale rock coming off, and we're getting ready to drive by here in a few minutes. That guy's taking him a look and some pictures and a break. Hey buddy. Here in a few minutes we'll be driving by Big Walker Mountain Overlook, the tower, and there's a little souvenir shop where you can go in and buy something, or it has great ice cream up there, but we've all stopped there many times, and we're not going to stop there today. We're going to drive on by it. and here is the big pretty overlook here at the tower. We're going to drive by here. Nice place to stop if you're down this way riding Highway 52 here, guys. Big Walker Mountain overlook. Come by and stretch your legs, take you a break, climb the tower even. I think you pay a little fee or something to climb the tower, but it's a nice place to take you a break and rest a couple minutes. Like I say, they got a little souvenir shop in there, and inside the souvenir shop fixes some great ice cream. But we're enjoying this day so far. I cut the camera back on and got the ride coming up the mountain, and here we are tipped over and going down. I think we'll be in Wytheville in about 10 miles roughly. Town of Wytheville. And the restaurant's just outside the town as you go in through the town. This nice Grayson Restaurant here in Wytheville is a nice family-oriented style. Fix some good old country home cooking. They bring the bows of food out in big family portion size, like you'll be sitting down at dinner at home or somewhere, guys. That's really nice. So hope you guys are getting to enjoy this beautiful Saturday of August 1st here. The temperature couldn't be any better. I mean, it's 76 degrees is all. And we're loving it, enjoying it, having a good time.